Welcome back guys. So in this video let us see how to install the Chromium based browsers on Linux, and you can skip to this timestamp. So let's get started with Google Chrome first, and we will use the Firefox browser to visit this website, and we need to click on the download for Linux, and we have to choose between .deb and .rpm. So .deb is for Ubuntu and Debian based Linux OS, so I'm going to install that. And after the download is finished, just click on it, and now we can install it. So this is the default package manager. Just enter your password and the installation will begin. It's going to take a while. So now it's done. And in the app list under internet, we can see we have the Google Chrome now. So first time we need to put in our password again, and just uncheck all this to opt out of any anonymous data usage. And we have the Chrome browser. We can sign in with our Google account, and all our bookmarks and passwords will be synced. This is the latest 64-bit version for Linux. Let me try visiting the YouTube website and see how it performs. It's quite responsive and lag free. We can also use the extensions and download more from the web store. So that was the Google Chrome. So now let us go to the Brave browser, and we will visit this website, and we need to run some commands. So we have commands for Ubuntu and Debian the Debian based Linux OS. So open the terminal command on your Linux, and I'm going to just run all these commands one by one. So I'm going to fast forward. And finally we will install the Brave browser by using this command. Just type Y and enter. And now it has finally installed, and we can check the app list, and we will see the Brave browser, and it is asking us to set it as default. And this is the interface. We have the Brave rewards, which is some kind of cryptocurrency, and Brave browser is very popular for being ad free and blocking ads even on YouTube, and the response time is fairly quick and it's quite lag free. And we do also have the extensions. They're on extension store, which is very similar to Google Chrome. This is actually Chrome web store only. So yeah, that was the Brave browser. And now we will move on to Microsoft Edge. This is also a very popular Chromium based browser. So we need to install .deb or .rpm according to the Linux OS you're using. and the installation is really similar to that of Chrome browser. And you can see the download has started, and once it's done we can just click and open it. And then we can then install using the default package manager. We'll just put in our password and the installation will begin. You can see it is kind of really similar to that of Chrome browser, and you can see the installation has done. So we can just open it from the app list, and the startup animation is really slow. Comparing to all the previous one, this is the slowest. But yeah, this looks better. Like they have kind of worked on the interface to make it customizable and suitable for all the needs of different users. Loading is like website taking more time than the others, but yeah, this one is also pretty good and quite feature rich. We have they have their own add-ons. They call it Edge add-ons. This is the Chrome extension. So yeah, that was Microsoft Edge. And the last method to install any of these three browsers is to use your default app store. So Linux Mint has a huge library of applications in the app store. You can see they have Chrome and Brave browser and all of it. So many Linux do not have the app store, and if they have, they are very limited. But if you have a good library of app stores, you can try to install it using that. So that was it for this video. I hope you like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.